Good article by The Hill on UAPs. Sign petitions to Congress as a tactic. A good article just came out titled True or Crazy, UFO Whistleblowers Coming Out of the Woodwork, published 7/7/23 by The Hill. Just found here. Some of the highlights of the article include: beyond encouraging whistleblowers to come forward, the overarching goal of the Senate legislation is to integrate any non-Earth origin or exotic UFO material secretly held by the U.S. government or private contractors into the broader scientific and industrial base for analysis. This mirrors concerns expressed by multiple officials that excessive secrecy prevents the robust scientific analysis required to fully understand the advanced non-human craft allegedly retrieved in recent decades. With the introduction of a companion amendment in the House, the intelligence bill is likely to be signed into law later this calendar year. Indeed, as Rubio makes clear, Congress is taking the UFO claim seriously. It's bipartisan. Everybody's working on it. To that end, the public may soon hear directly from some of the whistleblowers. Senator Kirsten Gillibrand, who sponsored multiple rounds of sweeping historic UFO-related legislation, is planning a hearing featuring Grush and other individuals who have spoken to Congress. At the same time, Representative Tim Burchett and Representative Anna Paulina are leading a House Oversight Committee investigation into the government's handling of UFOs. Like their Senate colleagues, the duo plans to hold an open hearing on whistleblowers in the coming weeks. In addition to following the teachings of Jesus as recommended by Brother R.K., see the R.K. Files, Earth, A World in Peril, October 21st, 1988, from the Terror Files site, which can be found here. And also using prayer to support the Alliance and Confederation. Remote prayer has been demonstrated scientifically to have an impact, as stated in the study, a randomized controlled trial of the effects of remote intercessory prayer on outcomes in patients admitted to the coronary care unit, which can be found here. Earth people can also help out the Alliance through petitioning the American Congress to keep up the pressure in the investigations of UAP. One of the tactics recommended by the Alliance is signing petitions to pressure the American Congress to further demand further investigation into the UAP topic in general. The more pressure people add, the little bit easier it is for the Alliance operatives working behind the scenes to further convince the Congress to look into the issues of UAP, and therefore makes it a little easier for the Alliance to come to Earth openly, and also therefore the Confederation openly. We Earth people cannot take up arms and hope to fight the Amigans physically because we do not have the advanced technology to combat them. But the Alliance and Confederation can and do combat the Amigans physically. What we Earth people can do is help the Alliance in small ways by making their job a little easier. Signing petitions to pressure Congress is one way to make the Alliance job a little easier. Also, we must be patient. Real change takes time and does not happen overnight. One example is this petition from change.org. Petition for transparency and accountability regarding UAP-related programs. Started June 13th, 2023. The link will be in the description, and it can be found here. As Brother Bob states, a sea of change begins at the bottom and works upward. One thing we must dispense with is this microwave mentality that expects instant results. Hollywood has conditioned us to expect miracles in a short time. The real world isn't so obliging. What takes 2 hours on the big screen may require 30, 40, 50 years in the real world. The Alliance is in it for the long haul. We can't expect a new world by tomorrow, noon. That can be found here. I personally know the Alliance brothers are involved with the UAP movement, and how I know I will never openly reveal. However, anyone can see the Alliance work behind the scenes by reading in between the lines and news of the day. As Brother Bob states, the only inklings we have of what's going on are those we find between the lines and the news of the day. The aware person can see the forces of light and darkness at war on this planet. That can be found here. Okay, I hope you found this information helpful. Thank you. Have a good day, and God bless.